Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix that problem or figure out this problem you have on your Instagram. You just click here on settings, then you come here to settings window and we will go down. You will click here on apps, then you come here to apps window and you just go down here to looking for Instagram app here and this is window. We will click here on Instagram, then we come to next window here, like you say, app info, and we will click here on for stop. Then you will click here on OK, and you click here on storage. Then you will come to storage window here. You will just click here on clear cache. Then you click here on clear data, and you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you are get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video about all Instagram settings.